Kadri sir's class and it's been amazing. Today he spoke so really gave amazing insights all about ice breaking to initiating conversation to public speaking and stuff. It was very informative today. We got an opportunity to work as a team, which helped us in building team building skills as well as leadership skills. And Sir has excellent stage presence. It inspired me a lot personally.
And it was so amazing. He gave us this in the recognition, as a recognition. It will be for a lifetime. It may be a small one, but it shows us, it gives us memory whenever we see back. A small gesture of memory. And whatever he taught today was so amazing because I worked as a judge. It's the first time for me. It was so good to me seeing me as a judge. After that, we all worked as a team here.
Like in Kadri sir's class, what I learned is like he didn't focus only on what he was assigned to do. Instead, he asked us what we want to learn. So like when he does that, even we'll get curious and we know what we want to learn. That's what we suggested him, and even he taught us the same thing. And the one thing I like the most is he indirectly helped us to deal with the people who are completely different from us. He gave us an activity in which he did 4 groups, and 4 of them had a completely different, attitude, behavior, everything. But in corporate world, to interact or to communicate with someone who is completely opposite to us is very difficult. But in this activity, like he made us to learn how to do that, how to take initiative. If we are good at something, how can we help some other? And if they are good at something, how can we take some positive things from that? And this is what I like the most in today's class. Thank you.
It was awesome. What I learned from this session is how to handle people, how to handle questions which I feel I required the most, and right now I'm filled with confidence. And thank you for that, sir. Thank you.
But then I came here with the thinking that I might not be able to mix up with everyone. But as Sir said, fear is what we think it'll happen, but something opposite only might happen. I heard someone saying the first day they saw me and thought that I'm rude. I might be a rude person. But once you speak to me, you'll get to know who I am in reality. Today, what I liked about Kadri sir was the first instance he spoke to me. He gave me that attention, which I don't feel ashamed to say. I love attention. I love attention, especially when you notice me, the person I am. And I really liked how he gave everybody a chance. Like he changed the groups. There was a reason he did that. So that we connect with each and everyone in the class. We don't leave anybody left out. Even in our group, I got a chance to meet with everyone, and I got to know everybody's personality even better. And I'm sure by the end of these orientation days, I'll know each and everyone perfectly, and I'll connect with everybody afterwards. I stand by my words. I will want to continue this friendship forever. And thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir is amazing, and I look forward to attend your sessions.
Come here.
Thank you.